Hello everyone, I'm Isan. In this video, we'll unbox the latest Samsung A series, the Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. The features and specifications offered in the Samsung Galaxy A34 5G series look very attractive. The screen already comes with an AMOLED screen with a smooth refresh rate 120Hz. The camera also comes with an OIS or optical image stabilization feature. In addition, the battery is also very large, 5000 mAh battery, and the memory capacity offered also comes with 128GB and 256GB. The smartphone that we unboxed in this video comes with awesome violet or purple color variant, and the memory is 128GB with 8GB of RAM. In the sales packet, we get a SIM card tray ejector, a Type-C to Type-C cable, and also a manual. And of course, we also get the Samsung Galaxy A34 5G smartphone. The thing that is also quite interesting is the IP rating that has been presented on this smartphone with an IP67 rating, which makes it dust and water resistant. It would be useful in conditions when you can make the smartphone slightly exposed to water. And of course, it will make you a little calmer if you use this smartphone. For the design of this phone, it comes with a curved design on the edges, which looks quite elegant and attractive. On the left side, there are no buttons or ports. Then underneath, there are two microphone holes, a speaker, and also a USB Type-C port. And at the top, there is a SIM card tray and also a microphone hole. On the right, as usual, there is only the power button and volume buttons. And here it is, the Samsung Galaxy A34 5G series with a Super AMOLED screen with a high refresh rate of 120Hz and also a 48MP rear camera. The design and size of the Samsung Galaxy A34 5G series look very compact, simple, and minimalist. The software version also used the latest version One UI 5.1 based on Android 13. The One UI version used is also the full version and not the core version. After trying this smartphone for quite some time after unboxing it, we immediately liked various things about this smartphone. In terms of the screen, it looks quite vibrant and bright, typical of Samsung display. The fingerprint sensor is already on the screen, and the display also comes with 120Hz refresh rate, which makes the movement look very smooth and fluid. Then the always on display feature is also already available in the Samsung Galaxy A34 5G series, even though the transition doesn't look as smooth as in the flagship series. And to check the first setting tips for the latest Samsung phones for A series like the Samsung Galaxy A34 5G series, you can click on the video that appears on the screen. Hopefully useful. See you in the next video.